What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover your Instagram account without your account password. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If you can't remember your password, you can reset it using your email address, phone number, or Facebook account. Here's how. On the Instagram login screen, tap Forgot Password. Enter your username, email, or phone number. If your account is linked to Facebook, tap Login with Facebook. Tap Next and follow the on-screen instructions. Instagram will send a link to your email or phone number to help reset the password. If you forget or don't know your Instagram username, you can still log in using your phone number or email address associated with your account. Once you log in, you'll be able to find your username at the top of your profile. If the email listed in your Instagram profile has changed, Instagram will send 2 emails asking you to accept or reverse the request. One email is sent to the original email address to deny the change. Another email is sent to the new email address to allow the change. Make sure to check both email addresses and confirm the change if it came from you. If you've saved your Instagram password in your browser or device settings, you can access it through your password manager. For Google Chrome, Safari, or other browser users, open the application and navigate to your browser settings. Select Password Manager and search for Instagram. If you ever saved your login information for the Instagram app using your browser, then you can preview the username and password from here. Your device might also save the Instagram account information, allowing you to recover your account without the password. On iOS devices, open up your settings. Scroll down and select Passwords. Just like before, you can search for Instagram, Facebook, or Meta to find the login information for your forgotten Instagram account. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.